What's the point of having children memorize the Quran when they don't even understand the importance? We teach our children many things that they don't necessarily understand fully or they understand the significance of. But we teach them those things. Why? Because inshallah, when they're older, it'll be easier for them to excel in those matters. When it comes to language development, remember that there is a sensitive period of learning, which is from 0 to 6 years of age, which means that in order to develop fluency later in life in a certain language, children must be listening to that particular language and also speaking that language. So just like that, if we want our children to have fluency in the Quran, in its recitation, in its comprehension, then we have to start early, inshallah. If we want to help our children memorize the Quran, understand the Quran easily later on in their life, then we have to teach them the skills from a very young age. And something that is helpful is memorizing short surahs of the Quran. And unfortunately, we underestimate children. Children, if they're taught what the Quran is, if they're taught the reward of memorizing the Quran, of reciting the Quran, they would really enjoy this process. And remember that when children memorize the Quran, they learn how to recite it, then they're building a connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You're helping them establish that connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In a hadith, we learn that the Quran is the rope of Allah. Its one side is with Allah and the other side is with you. So don't we want that our children have a direct connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Likewise, we learn that whoever places the Quran in front of them, then the Quran will lead them to Jannah. So when we help our children memorize the Quran from a young age, we give them the opportunity to have the Quran in front of them. I mean, we expose them to so many things. We teach them the most random things also. Why not teach them the Quran, the Book of Allah, for which they will get reward also. And it will also help them develop this identity or this strong connection with the Quran, that Quran is a part of my life. So for this reason, we must start early.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm so happy that you were able to watch it and inshallah to benefit from it. If you have not subscribed to Faith IQ yet, please do. Click on the link and make sure that you open the notification so you will always be notified when a new video comes. These questions that we answer are questions that are submitted by you. So please leave us a comment, send a question that you think it will benefit the general public so we can give you the answer if we know it, inshallah ta'ala. Thank you very much. Your participation means a lot to us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.